everyone, so as is becoming traditional, I'm going to redo this look that I tormented you with yesterday. Okay, so I did actually go out today already. I don't have much on, however I have a tiny bit of foundation over my eyes, you know, like the tiny bit of foundation that I use, and a little bit of mascara. I was just going to Pilates class, so I didn't want my mascara to run, so I put the slightest little bit. So now what we're gonna do is basically just go over it so I can show you. So I'll get a little bit of foundation, and this is how I mix it if you're curious. I get one of these pots that I have from ages ago from Stila, and then I have my foundation here, because actually the foundation pots from RMS are so huge that I don't really want to carry that around. Just clean up a little bit. And as you can see, I've noticed that in my videos the color looks really yellow, but it kind of blends in, because I have tried other combinations of, you know, more of the number 11 or more of the number 22. I even have, is it 22? I even have like the darkest number, which is dark brown, because I use that as a kind of eyeshadow. And sometimes what I will do is I will mix the lightest one with the darkest one, just to get like a different undertone. But actually my skin is quite yellowish. It's more of a golden color. Putting it around my lips is the most important, because I have some redness there, as you might have been able to observe. I really think that the best way to define your lips is by having a base around them. See, so now my face is kind of unified. So now once I put lipstick on, I will bring out that lip line again. And maybe we'll do the lipstick first, just to get that out of the way. I'm just using a clean brush to kind of smooth out everything, so that the layer is as thin as possible. And I didn't go swimming this morning, finally, so you can see that my eyes are fine. It's just I get that goggle suction mark when I do go. I mean, there's a little bit of a hollow. Highlighter, this is Amethyst by RMS, and I often put this even in my eye, you know, because I love this color. It's just such a nice... It reminds me of that 2000 frosty lilac blush that people were wearing, like Christina Aguilera and these people. Oh my god, I don't know if you can hear the wind. It's crazy. Alright, lips. It's not... the sun just came out. Isn't that beautiful? Look at this beautiful light. This is stripped down from MAC, continuing with the 90s 2000 theme. I had forgotten that this is pretty dark. Oh, I love a dark brown lip line. NARS Raquel. This is the Natasha Denona Cranberry palette. And we are going to be using this nice pink color over here. Just considering if we should be using any others. Actually, let's use also, like the other day, so let's use that one on the bottom, but just like a tiny little bit. Actually, I didn't even bring my small brush, so we're gonna have to use that one very sparingly with my fluffy brush. So I'm dipping the tiniest little bit, and I'm going to put it as close to my lash line. That's too much. And maybe in my creases. There's still some pink from the other day, I have to say. So that's why it's more pinkish than you think. Alright, let's go straight into the pink now, shall we? So this is the pink glittery shade now. See how excited it makes me? Oh, it's just so beautiful. And I think this color works on every hair and eye color because it looks kind of sweet on blondes. You know, you look very Barbie. But my preference would always be pink on brunettes. So on brunettes it looks good for sure. But even on blondes and blue eyes, it makes your eyes really come out. It can make them a little bit more greenish, but actually really not so bad. You know how it is with blue eyes people, we get really offended if people think that we have green eyes. Don't know why. Green eyes are beautiful, but my eyes are blue. So again, I'm really impressed with the quality of these shadows. I love the colors, I like the color combos. I find it really wearable too. So that eye is always better and always more intense. It's a more beautiful eye, let's face it. Since I already have mascara, I'm not gonna really go for more. I actually quite like this. I think this is fine. Let's just try to soften that a little bit on the end. I've realized that you can really go out with eyeshadow like way further than you think, and it looks really good, even for daytime. Let us clean up again. So I always like to clean up here on the inside because I get a lot of color right there, and I don't want that. I want there to be space between my brow and my eyeshadow there. Again, not gonna do anything with my brows. They're natural, they're a bit tinted, they're fine. And this is the finished look. Put down my hair. Hope you enjoyed this video.